Hey y'all, it's Beth here. Welcome to week 3. This is our third week and our third genre of writing. Trying to get you flexible in your writing to where anything that comes your way, you'll be able to handle it. No problem. First week we did a personal narrative. Second week we did a rhetorical analysis. And this week we're doing a character analysis. Those of you who've taken literature classes, this might be a little bit more familiar to you. No fear, no matter what. Trying to figure out how Dave Eggers uses his characters to make his argument. Trying to figure out how on earth to make a strong thesis statement so that you can do it too. Now, I've got here the Moodle page for week 3, and you'll see the objectives up here. I've got an overview for you. Please read it before you begin your work. This will summarize everything we're doing. Then in the resources, the required reading, we're keeping on reading in the circle. I've given you page numbers. I've also given you percentages in case you're reading this as an ebook in electronic format. And then I'm also giving you a little bit of a heads up into the plot and a quote too. Because people are reading this in all sorts of different formats, I want to make sure that we're all kind of on the same page. But actually, that's not that important. Just keep reading. We will still be discussing the book. I assigned it because I think it's worth reading. It brings up some interesting points about our day and age. And it gives us some context for our class discussions and for our research paper that's going to come along later. I've also given you an article about the different genres that you might want to look at. And here I've given you resources tutorials. You have written enough for me, and I have told you again and again that if I've talked about comma splices, sentence fragments, run-on sentences, you might want to look here to kind of correct them. You're not writing for me, you're writing for the teachers the rest of your life, you're writing for your employers the rest of your life. Also, we've got here how to organize an essay. You might want to look at those things there. Okay, now let's go back to this. And activities, notice all activities and assignments are required. Let me know if you have difficulty submitting an assignment on time. Everything's due Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Sorry, that's it. Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. I found it's easier for everybody for an online class because I know that you don't log on every single day. There's no reason for you to. But everything's due Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. So the forum is another discussion on the circle. You need to do your first post Wednesday by 11:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and respond to at least 2 of your classmates by Friday at 11:45 Pacific Daylight Time. I am giving you this week everybody. I think we have 64 members of all 3 classes. I'm giving you everybody. Only one person responded, but she gave me exactly what I was suspecting, that you might want to pick and choose who you respond to. So I'm giving you everybody this time. Let me know if it fills up your email too much, and we can change it. Then you've got a character analysis. This time I've given you full instructions here and a video too. So have fun this week and keep reading and keep thinking and be aware of yourself as you participate. I guess that's the verb in social media. I will talk to you soon.